This is LENOVO Tab M7, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can check your data usage on this device. So first of all, you will need to launch settings, onwards enter the network and internet category, in here go for the VLAN, and scroll the page all the way down. And well, by doing so, you'll find the VLAN data usage section, so tap on it, and at the following page, you'll be able to see detailed statistics on not only the total Wi-Fi data usage, but also the data usage that has been broken down by apps. So to put it in simpler terms, you can see how much Wi-Fi or how much data each individual application used within the current period of time, which is usually a single month. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.